Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of WordPress series, we will be understanding how you can take backup of your WordPress website in just single click, that too without any hassle or technical knowledge. If you have a WordPress website for your business, for your personal brand, then it is very important to have a backup so that in case of anything goes wrong, let's say if your website is hacked, some malware is it's there in your website, or maybe is your website down for any reason, then in that case a website backup will help you to take your website up and running in couple of minutes. Now for that, there are multiple options to take website backup of your WordPress website, but the easiest way is something which I will be telling in this video. So watch the video till the end, stay tuned and follow all the steps, and if you are new on the channel, then do subscribe right now. In order to take the WordPress website backup, all you need to do is just come into your WordPress dashboard, and from here you will go to plugins and click on add new plugin. We will be using a small plugin which will be helping you to take a website backup in just single click, and the name of the plugin is all-in-one WP migration. So you need to search for all-in-one WP migration. This is the name of the plugin. Once you search for the plugin name, the plugin which you will see here is this all-in-one WP migration and backup. You need to install the plugin, and once the installation is done, you need to simply activate the plugin. And guys, I have already discussed another method of taking the website backup daily automatically using Updraft Plus. If you haven't seen that video, the link is in the description. Do check it out. Now the installation is done. Click on activate. So this was our step number 1. Once the plugin is activated, you will see an option called all-in-one migration on the left hand side in your bar, WordPress bar, something like this. So here, once you hover on this option, you will see export, import and backups. These three options are available in the free version. So since we want to take the backup, so we will choose export option, click on export. Once you selected the export option, here you will see export to. So by default, file will be the first option, and this is the right method to take the backup because it is very easy. So export to file, click on this, and once you click on this option, the WordPress files and the database will start backing up, and this entire website backup will be zipped or compressed in one single file, including database and WordPress files. So it is the easiest method to take WordPress website backup in single click. And once it is done, it will show you the size. Right now you can see my website size right now is 228 MB. So the entire backup is now the 228 MB. You just need to click on this dialog box which is popping up, and you can see the downloading has been started. Once the download is done, you will be having the website backup. Apart from this, meanwhile the downloading is happening, if you go to backups on the left hand side, you will see the same backup which you created is also available here. You can see 39 seconds ago, this website backup is also available on your WordPress hosting. So it is not something that let's say if you have downloaded already and somehow you lost the file, then also you can come here and download the backup, something like this. So here my website backup is done. Now let's understand how to restore the backup. Let's say if your website goes down or something wrong happened to your website, your data is lost and you need a backup to be restored. In that case, what you need to do is you can just use this file in order to restore your website completely in just single click. So what you need to do is, for example, let's say if I delete couple of pages, if I delete all the pages, for example, so I'll just move to trash, apply, just to show you guys that, if let's say data is deleted, then also you can restore the data using this file. So from trash also I am deleting all the files permanently so that I don't have any page. Now if I go to the home page or if I refresh my website, you will see I don't have any pages right now on my website. It is blank. Now in order to restore this, what I need to do is I need to come onto this option again. Again, you need to make sure that you have this plugin installed already. This time we will click on import. They will click on import. Click on import, and from here you will see drag and drop to import from file. The same thing that you exported for, same option you will select here for import. Click on file, choose the file from a local computer. You will see that the file will start uploading. Once this uploading process will done, I will show you the next step. And guys, meanwhile, one thing to note that please make sure that while you are uploading, if your let's say file is 500 MB, 600 MB, then please make sure that your maximum upload size limit should be more than your file size. If your file size is, let's say, 500 MB and your maximum upload limit is only 125 MB, then in that case you need to contact your hosting provider, or you need to increase the maximum upload limit from your cPanel or hosting provider. Then only you will be able to upload this file, otherwise it will give you an error. Now you can see the upload is done. Now it says the import process will overwrite your data, including everything, database, media. Yes, I want that. So I will click on proceed. Once I click on proceed, now it is importing all the data which was exported as the website backup. And once it is done, you can see the restoring files and database and everything. And your site has been imported successfully. It means the pages which I deleted earlier should be now visible. So if I click on finish, once the import is successfully done, now let's come to pages and check it out if they are back again or not. You can see all the pages which I deleted earlier before I actually restored my website are now again visible to my WordPress dashboard. And if I go to my website, now if I refresh the website, you will see my website will be back again with all the pages like this. All the options, project, services, about, blog, contact us, all are back because I had my WordPress website backup. That's how you can take a backup of your WordPress website easily, step by step, in just single click. And I also explained how to restore your website. So that's it for this video. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.